Here's a short video to show you how to personalize your application and add an automated consent form in Filogix Expert Pro. To edit the application your client will see, go to your personal settings and select the Application Form tab. From there, choose which type of application you'd like to edit. By clicking the eye icon, you can decide whether a field is visible or hidden from your clients. You can also determine which fields are mandatory and which are optional by clicking the red icon below. Next, if you'd like to add a mandatory or optional consent form or disclaimer to the end of your application, you can do so by selecting the Disclaimers tab and clicking Create Consent Requests. From there, select Link a Consent Form and find the document you'd like to link to. Then include a consent message for your client to see and click Create. Your clients will now need to accept your credit consent before they can submit their application. To see what your client's credit consent will look like after they've agreed to your terms and submitted their application, go to your Applications, click on your client and select the Documents tab. Under the Auto-Generated Consent Form tab, you'll see the consent form that was created for this client. When you open it, you will see it has your client's digital signature, as well as a date, timestamp, and location tag, all attached to the credit consent form. That's how to personalize your application and add an automated consent form in Filogix Expert Pro.